Lineage is the largest food warehouser in the world. Our business is temperature-controlled warehousing. We are the food reserve for humanity. We transit about 120 billion pounds of food annually. What triggered the decision to look for an automated solution to layer picking was that we currently ask our team members to perform a very physically arduous task, which is to take a pallet, which could weigh up to a ton, and physically disassemble it by hand and then restack the contents onto a separate pallet. That's hard to do under normal circumstances. It's yet harder to do in a -18 Celsius environment. Consequently, we chased a robotic solution principally coming out of the pandemic.
The partnership actually started 2019, 2020. That was the first big building that Lineage was building. And we were trying to make, of course, the footprint of the building as small as possible. The idea came up like, hey, let's put all the layer picking on a second level. We talked to Körber about this solution and they were happy to have a look at it. And they said, like, if you guys from a building perspective can make this work, we will make sure the machine does what it has to do under these conditions as well. And that actually worked out perfectly. And that's, I think, where a big trust, mutual trust and partnership started.
Our facility here is dedicated to a single customer. 99% of the goods that are coming into the facility are finished packaged goods. We consolidate all of the product that they have onto individual orders. We then put them together to ship them out on one truck to our customers' consignees. Two of the biggest things that Körber has done for us in our gantries are the T-cars and the layer picker heads. The T-cars are what are used to move pallets in and out of the gantry, while the picker heads are what we use to actually pick individual layers off of pallets to be able to source them to other pallets and combine multiple SKUs on a single pallet. Our customers obviously have a high amount of different SKUs that are in the building. Not everything that is ordered in a full pallet quantity. So being able to stack multiple SKUs on an individual pallet allows us to minimize the amount of space that we are taking up on a truck, which therefore allows us to get more product on that truck. The operator eye is the 4 cameras that are on each corner of the layer picker head. It uses AI technology to gather data on every layer that we are picking. The system then is taking that data, it is compiling it, and it is using it in the future for limited downtime, less human error, taking the guesswork of what a person would have to do out of the equation to allow for a smoother, more complete pick in the future.
Error handling goes a lot faster because the machine makes a decision, just keeps going. We don't need to have actually somebody there that looks at that error handling all day long. The teams know the machine will make the right decision, and if it can't, it'll let us know.
Over time, we have now been working on 5 individual projects, multiple layer pickers. The more we work together, the more they are introduced to our way of working. We know how Lineage is working, so it makes it fairly easy, and we can quickly adjust during projects due to the openness we have.
Körber is an extremely valued partner of ours, one that we bring in at the very front end of our design processes because they've proven to us that they know how to do things that we don't. That partnership facilitates us bringing in equipment that they've never integrated with and them bringing in equipment that we've never integrated with. And together we found very creative ways to feed the population.